Welcome back. You're watching the Traders Network Show, broadcasting worldwide from Greenwich, Connecticut. We're here at the 2019 Greenwich Economic Open, and my next guest needs very little introduction, both on the economic stage and the media stage. He is the former CEO of AOL and the current CEO of Revolution, Steve Case. Welcome to the show.
Great to be with you.
Oh, it's my pleasure. So you just came off a panel a few minutes ago. Can you give us a little bit of insight, be our eyes and ears? What's going up there? Give us a little feedback.
Well, obviously a lot of topics. The one I was particularly focused on was the revolution in venture capital, how venture capital, which is sort of the jet fuel that drives the innovation economy, has historically gone mostly to places like Silicon Valley, and now it's starting to broaden around the country. We launched an initiative 5 years ago called Rise of the Rest that promotes entrepreneurship in Detroit and Indianapolis, other places. We've launched a fund that now has 100 investments in 30 different states. And so even though most of the capital still goes to places like Silicon Valley, last year 75% went to 3 states, California, New York, and Massachusetts. We're starting to see states like Ohio, Michigan, Illinois, Virginia, others are rising up, and that ultimately will lead to great investment opportunities and also create more jobs in those places, which will help, we think, unite the country.
Yeah, what part is public-private partnerships playing in all that economic development?
Critically. We basically what we do with Revolution, the investment firm, it takes the lead in investing in the companies, but we also, through the Case Foundation, partner with a lot of different organizations. Kauffman Foundation, for example, is very active around entrepreneurship. We also work on the government side. I work with President Obama to pass something called the Jobs Act to make it easier for companies to raise capital. I work with President Trump to create opportunity zones, to create tax advantages to invest in some of these rising cities. So everybody has to do their part, but more collaboration clearly can drive more impact.
You know, Jobs Act, no pun intended, but it's been truly revolutionary. How do you feel that's evolved?
It took a while to get going. It took a while for the SEC to write the rules, to figure out exactly what the rules should be around capital formation, but I think now it's starting to accelerate, and some of the rules around private filings has resulted in more companies looking at going public as the markets kind of get to a point in the next couple of years. I think you'll probably see more IPOs coming out. So overall, we're pleased.
You know, I don't want to take much more of your time. I know you've been pulled a few directions. What can we expect, last question, but what can we expect next out of Revolution?
Well, Revolution has a seed fund, Rise of the Rest, Revolution Ventures, and Revolution Growth, and we'll continue to try to back the best entrepreneurs anywhere in the country, not just on the coast, and continue to work both with the entrepreneurs we back and the LPs, the institutions that we manage capital for, to try to create some of the breakout successes of tomorrow.
That's amazing, amazing. Steve, thanks so much for coming on the show. Everybody, Steve Case, CEO of Revolution. We'll be right back after some messages. Special thanks to our affiliate partners, ABC, NBC, Fox, and CBS. Don't go away. We'll be right back.
The 2019 Greenwich Economic Forum is brought to you by Bridgewater Associates. Meaningful work, meaningful relationships. Churchill Asset Management, Nuveen, a leading provider of senior and unitranche debt to middle market companies. Ropes & Gray, bright past, brilliant future. Aurora Capital, inspiring partnerships. And Gramercy Funds Management. We are emerging markets. Special considerations to Bank of America. Life's better when we're connected. Noah Private Wealth Management, a leading wealth and asset management service provider in China. Guotai Jinan Futures, a leading brokerage firm for commodity futures and financial futures in China. China Industrial Securities, a comprehensive financial group providing full spectrum financial services in Hong Kong. And Titan Advisors, built like a hedge fund. Special thanks to the Financial Times and Greenwich Business Institute for hosting us. Special thank you to 1-800 Public Relations for all your PR and media support. And thank you to all the sponsors who helped make this event possible.